From the SNC World Headquarters in New York, I'm Haley Bianco, and here are the stories we're following at this hour. A New York judge has postponed a ruling in President-elect Donald Trump's hush money case. Multiple airlines are suspending flights to and from Haiti after 2 planes were struck by gunfire. The island is facing a security crisis amid worsening gang violence and political unrest. Ira Spitzer reports.
JetBlue said it discovered damage from a bullet strike during a post-flight inspection in New York of a plane that had just traveled to the Haitian capital Port-au-Prince and is canceling all of its Haiti flights until at least December 3rd. Earlier on Monday, a Spirit flight landing in Haiti was struck by gunfire and had to be diverted to the Dominican Republic, prompting the airport to close and Spirit to suspend its flights. Armed gangs have shot at planes in the past few weeks as the country's political crisis worsens. Haiti has just sworn in a new prime minister after the previous leader was forced to step down, but it's estimated that gangs control about 85% of the capital city. Reporting in San Francisco, Ira Spitzer, Salem News Channel.
A new Louisiana requirement that the 10 Commandments be displayed in every public classroom by January 1st has been temporarily blocked by a federal judge who said the law is unconstitutional. A fire danger warning for much of America's Northeast is back in effect as a major wildfire burns across the border of New York State and New Jersey. Mitch McCann has an update for us.
New York's governor is labeling the wildfire burning across the border with New Jersey, known as the Jennings Creek Fire, as the worst in years after scorching more than 5,000 acres. In recent days, Black Hawk helicopters have been dropping water across the fire zone, but dry conditions have made firefighting efforts difficult. A warning is now in place for much of Tuesday local time for New York City, the Hudson Valley, Long Island, Northeast New Jersey, and Southwest Connecticut. New York received some rainfall overnight Sunday, but it has been more than a month since it has seen heavy rain. And over the weekend, the city's mayor announced a ban on grilling in the city's parks and asked residents to conserve water.
Texas residents enrolled in the federal program shielding them from deportation can now sign up for health insurance through the Affordable Care Act. The federal health insurance marketplace is allowing enrollment for the first time for 90,000 recipients who, under the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program, are temporarily protected to live and work in the U.S. after being brought to the country illegally as children. House Speaker Mike Johnson says Republicans are ready to deliver on President-elect Donald Trump's agenda, saying no time will be wasted before getting to work on Trump's America First agenda, including securing the southern border. South Korea's president recently began practicing golf in preparation for future meetings with U.S. President-elect Donald Trump. President Yoon told reporters last week that he had spent about 10 minutes on the phone with Trump after his election victory, and that the two leaders agreed they should meet in person soon. Laura Westbrook joins us now with more details.
It's no secret that Donald Trump loves golf. For business people, lawmakers, even world leaders, getting out on the green is a way to get close to him. And so South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol has taken out his golf clubs and begun practicing for the first time in 8 years. South Korean companies rely heavily on trade with the U.S. South Korean officials are reportedly concerned about the impact of tariffs. And so analysts say Yoon may be hoping getting out on the golf course could be a way to forge a relationship with the next leader of the United States. In Hong Kong, Laura Westbrook for Salem News Channel.
Today, Waymo opened its Robotaxi service to anyone who wants a ride around Los Angeles, marking another milestone in the evolution of self-driving car technology, since the company began as a secret project at Google 15 years ago. The expansion comes 8 months after Waymo began offering rides in Los Angeles to a limited group of passengers chosen from a waiting list that had ballooned to more than 300,000 people. Now, anyone with the Waymo One smartphone app will be able to request a ride around an 80-square-mile territory in Los Angeles. As a result of weak demand, Kraft Heinz is no longer making its packaged lunch brand Lunchables for low-income students receiving free and reduced-price meals from a federal program. The U.S. Department of Agriculture's school lunch program provides free and low-cost lunches to about 30 million children who are from low-income families or meet other federal requirements. In April, U.S. consumer watchdog group Consumer Reports said Lunchables had high sodium levels, raising questions about whether the cracker and bread-based meal kit should be served to kids in kindergarten through high school. Lunchables were created in the 1980s. Now let's check out today's closing bell numbers. And that's what you need to know at this hour. In New York, I'm Haley Bianco, Salem News Channel.